Welcome to Great Garden. Have you ever wondered, why are my neighbor's orchids blooming beautifully while mine haven't produced a single spike yet? Don't worry, today I'm going to reveal a super simple orchid care secret that uses only familiar ingredients you already have in your kitchen. With this method, your orchids will grow strong, healthy roots, lush green leaves, and flower spikes that emerge right on time, creating a stunning display that anyone would admire. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any plant care tips. Let's get started. To make this organic fertilizer, the first ingredient we need is bread. Bread is not only a familiar food source, but it also contains carbohydrates, B, vitamins, protein, and minerals. First, I'm going to tear the bread into small pieces like this. Breaking it into smaller pieces helps the nutrients dissolve more easily when mixed with water, while increasing the surface area, so the minerals, vitamins, and beneficial microorganisms can work more effectively. This allows the plant roots to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Next, add all the torn bread pieces into a clean glass cup. After that, I'll prepare 2 aloe vera leaves like this. Aloe vera contains plenty of vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes that help stimulate root growth, strengthen the plant's resistance, and improve nutrient absorption for orchids. Then, I cut the aloe vera into small pieces. Cutting it into smaller chunks helps release all the nutrients inside the aloe vera, allowing the orchid to absorb them more quickly. When sliced into small pieces, the enzymes, vitamins, and minerals dissolve easily into the water, promoting root growth, enhancing the plant's overall nutrition, and supporting even long-lasting blooming. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After that, I add all the chopped aloe vera into the cup, along with the bread we prepared earlier. The next ingredient I choose is sugar, something that may seem simple, but it plays an important role in nourishing orchids. I add 1 tablespoon of sugar into the mixture of bread and aloe vera. Next, I pour in 500 milliliters of hot water to blend everything together. Then, I thoroughly stir the mixture to ensure all the nutrients from the bread, aloe vera, and sugar are evenly combined. This stirring process helps distribute the enzymes, vitamins, and minerals more effectively, creating a uniform nutrient solution that allows orchid roots to absorb nourishment in the most efficient way. Finally, I cover the container and let the mixture sit for 1 hour. During this time, I lightly flush the plant with clean water. Flushing the plant before fertilizing helps clean the growing medium, remove dust and accumulated salts, and create a fresh environment for the roots. This light layer of moisture allows both old and new roots to expand, improving respiration, nutrient exchange, and overall absorption. When we apply organic fertilizer afterward, the roots can absorb it quickly and evenly, reducing the risk of fertilizer burn or shock. This simple yet important step helps the plant stay lush, healthy, and well prepared for a beautiful blooming season ahead. Repeat the same process for any other plants you want to fertilize. If you find this tip helpful, Don't forget to share it with others who love growing orchids. After about 1 hour, when the mixture has cooled, I strain out all the solids and keep only the clear nutrient liquid. This liquid is a concentrated solution rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes from the aloe vera, ready for the orchid roots to absorb effectively. I will dilute this solution with 1 liter of clean water. Diluting it will help reduce the concentration so the plant can absorb the nutrients more safely, avoiding fertilizer shock. Next, we will proceed to apply this organic fertilizer to the plants. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently dab the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid leaves. When wiping the leaves, dust and residues are removed, helping the leaves absorb light better, increasing photosynthesis efficiency, and reducing bacteria, mold, and pests. The essence from bread, sugar, and aloe vera provides a rich natural source of nutrients. Carbohydrates from bread and sugar provide energy, while aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, helping enhance resistance, nourish glossy green leaves, and support healthy root growth. It is recommended to wipe both sides of the leaves with this solution, which stimulates metabolism and helps the nutrients penetrate deeply into the leaf cells. Perform this 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean, absorb nutrients optimally without causing waterlogging or damage to the plant. Method 2. I will continue by pouring the solution into a specialized watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich natural source of nutrients from bread, sugar, and aloe vera, but also helps maintain the microbial balance in the growing medium, supporting strong root growth, glossy green leaves, and overall plant health. It is recommended to water regularly once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. When watering, do it evenly and gently to avoid water accumulation, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients effectively, keeping the medium airy, and minimizing the development of fungal diseases. Method 3. Pour the solution into a specialized spray bottle. And spray evenly over the entire plant, including leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the solution made from bread, sugar, and aloe vera allows the nutrients to penetrate the entire plant, providing energy, vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes from aloe vera, supporting healthy root and leaf growth. You should spray evenly on both the top and bottom of the leaves so that the nutrients penetrate deeply, increasing the effectiveness of nourishment and protecting the plant. This method can be applied once a week during the first month, then maintained once a month for long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to absorb the nutrients. For Phalaenopsis orchids, after misting, if you notice water still remaining on the leaf surface or in the leaf axils, use a dry cloth or soft cotton to gently dab and remove the excess water. This helps prevent prolonged moisture on the leaves and stem. Prolonged water accumulation, especially in the leaf crown and axils, is one of the common causes of stem and root rot in Phalaenopsis orchids. Therefore, just a small action of wiping dry at the right time helps the plant avoid many risks and stay healthy and safe throughout the recovery process. Besides orchids, you can also spray this solution on other ornamental plants, such as anthuriums. The solution made from bread, sugar, and aloe vera not only helps leaves become glossy green and enhances photosynthesis, but also provides energy, vitamins, and natural minerals, stimulating healthy root growth. At the same time, the enzymes and nutrients in aloe vera help strengthen resistance, reducing pests, mold, and bacteria. When applied regularly, the plant not only develops comprehensively from roots to leaves, but also maintains long-lasting vitality, ready for flowers and new shoots to grow vibrantly. Results after 2 months. After being cared for using this method, the orchids in my garden have shown noticeable daily changes and are growing vigorously. You can easily see many new roots sprouting with plump green tips, a sign that the plant is effectively absorbing nutrients and recovering very well. A healthy root system is the most important foundation for the orchid to maintain long-lasting vitality. The orchid leaves are now deep green, glossy, and thicker and stronger. Leaves that were once slightly wrinkled or weak have become plump and full of life, proving that the solution made from bread, sugar, and aloe vera has nourished the plant effectively during the recovery phase. In the pots where orchids were previously slow-growing, you will start to see new shoots emerging, and some plants have already developed new flower spikes, growing strongly, a sign that the plant has fully recovered and is ready for the next flowering season. Each bloom that opens is a worthy result of gentle but proper care. This method not only helps the orchids become healthy, but also brings noticeable changes to the entire garden. With perseverance, the plant will always reward you with vibrant flowers and abundant vitality. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using bread, sugar, or aloe vera, common kitchen ingredients, to nourish your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. I would love to hear your garden stories. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.